Hi, I'm Paige Killian, professional organizer, and today we're going to talk about organizing your garage in 3 simple steps using my 3 E's philosophy. Let's start with the essential purge. It is time to get the stuff that you are not using, that's not serving you, out of the space. That leads me to the enhancement. This is where you're going to donate or sell those items. Finally, we've got your extra, and this is the styling of that space. This is the fun part, where you get to pick all of the containers and put together the things that you did decide to keep. Now, finally, I want to mention this. If you go to put the stuff back in the containers and you realize it's just not fitting, or it's not stuff that you need easy access to all the time, this is the perfect opportunity for you to head over to public storage and keep some of your stuff there. So whenever you do need it, you can go grab it and bring it back to your house. You will be organized before you know it. Don't worry, you've got this.